Good morning, friends. In this video lecture, we are going to start a lecture series to prepare for the CBSE question paper for computer science 12th class. And for that purpose, we have a sample question paper with us, like computer science, which is having code 083, and that sample question paper is provided by CBSE to us. So based on that, can we create a approximate blueprint that what are the different type of questions are being asked and which particular topics have the highest weightage, which will help us in making the strategy to prepare for the exams. So I hope if you see this video, you will get good understanding of the topics from where you are going to get the questions in your final exam. Okay, so let us discuss it. uh, Before going for the questions topic from where questions are being asked or how many questions being asked, what are the weightage, we have some general instructions associated here in the question paper. So we will see these general instructions. What are those? So as we all know, the question paper is for 70 marks and the time is given 3 hours, and we have 30 marks for practical evaluation. We have 8 general instructions as per the CBSE sample paper. First one says this question paper contains 5 sections, that is from A, B, C, D and E. So we have total of 5 sections in it. All questions are compulsory. Very important that there is no choice between questions. There may be a choice in question itself, that is an internal choice to that question. It is not a choice between the questions, so that we have to keep in our mind. So these two instructions are over. Now third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh instructions are regarding these sections. Section A will have total of 18 questions which are carrying 1 mark. Then section B will have total of 7 questions where each question is having how many marks? 2 marks. Then we have a section C where we have total 5 short answer type questions and each question weightage is how much? 3 marks. And then we have section D where we have 3 long answer type questions, 5 marks of each. And seventh instruction says in section E we have 2 questions carrying 4 mark each, and one internal choice is given against the question number 35 in part C only. So this is the about the general instructions given in the sample question paper. And all programming question must be answered using Python language only, as we are now all having Python language for 12th class syllabus. C++ is not there, so we are going to see this Python language now. So these are the instructions. So how many? 18 questions are very short answer type or MCQ. 7 questions are like very short answer, 2 marks questions, like small code you need to give the output. What are the category coming under, we will see into it. And then section C will have 3 marks like short answer question. And then we have 3 questions in section D of long answer type, and this is the highest marks we can have for one question, that is 5 marks, and long answer type that will be coming under the section D, and section E will have 2 questions, 4 marks each. Let us move to the next slide and see. So first I should erase all this annotation and going to the next slide. Now you see in the next slide distribution of marks as per our syllabus. So here you have 3 units split up in our syllabus, like computational thinking and programming for 40 marks, and then we have a computer network for 10 marks and database management for 20 marks. Total of 70 marks are allocated for the theory part. Then we try to approximate the blueprint of question paper, that which particular topic questions are coming from, so that we need to see here. So this is approximate because CBSE has not provided any blueprint, but we are trying to understand. So let us see it. Here I have like 12 MCQ in the sample question paper, which are from the computational thinking and programming part, and very short answer. 3 questions are of 2 marks, 3 questions are of short answer type, 1 question for 4 marks and 1 question for 5 marks, that is very long answer. Total of 40 marks are allocated for it. And from computer network we have only 1 question in the sample question paper, but in final paper I can say that you will get 2 to 4 questions from this computer network, or around 3 question, 2 question or 4 questions, so they might vary. And 2 questions we have uh, of very short answer category from the computer network, and 1 question we have from very long answer, that is 5 marks question. We will see each category of questions example in that course. And here in database management, like 5 questions we have from the database management topic in our sample question paper, which are quite large. Again I can say in final paper it is uh, obvious that you will have 2 to 4, or you might have 5 also. Then you have 2 questions from very short answer section, 2 marks, and 2 questions for 3 marks, 1 question for 4 marks and 1 question for 5 marks. So like that you will have total of 35 questions in the question paper, and total number of questions 35, total marks allocated are 70, and maximum time that is allocated is 3 hours. So that is regarding the blueprint, we can say uh, that this is how the distribution of questions topic wise will be there. And from where we can download the sample question paper, you have to go to the CBSE website. I will pin the link in the description of that video, from where you can download the question paper, sample question paper, and go through it. It is very necessary before attempting any exam. You have to go through the sample question paper if available, otherwise previous year question paper. So that will be the standard practice for going in for any exam, or preparing for exam, or getting good marks. So this is the video, and I want to appreciate all of you for patient listening. Thank you very much. If you have any doubt about it, you can leave a comment. I will read and reply. So thank you very much. That's it.